Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to use automatic mirror fold-in. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's swipe to the left a few times until you see the settings. Select here Settings. From the following view, let's select the Vehicle tab. It's the second tab from the top. And as you can see, now you can choose Open and Close. Let's do it. As you can see now, you can select the automatic mirror fold-in. Let's enable this feature by using this toggle. So the side mirrors will automatically fold when you lock the car and unfold when you unfold it. It protects you and protects them from damage in tight spots. So especially in cities when the parking spots are really tiny and really narrow, it's amazing to enable this automatic mirror fold-in. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.